Okay guys, I want you to hear this. Ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng branded na property versus sa mga local na property? What do I mean by mga branded na property? Branded na property is just like Ayala Land, Villar, Mega World, and etc. And mga local na properties, yan yung mga property na pwede nyong mabili sa province nyo, sa kapitbahay nyo, dyan sa barangay nyo, you know. So, ang pinagkaiba ng branded and local na property is simple. It's the margin. Okay, so kung bibili ka ng property na local, let's say, sa local brand, yung 250 square meter sa mga province is around 2 million. And sa mga branded na property, ang 250 square meter is around 13 to 15 million. So we all know na 10 years from now, magdo-double yung capital appreciation yan. So let's say, pag local brand, 10 years from now, yung 2 million mo magiging 4 million. And sa mga branded na property, yung 13 to 15 million mo is magiging possibly 30 million 10 years from now. So, what's the difference? It's simple, margin. So, I'm here with Vermosa. Biglang ganun eh, no? You know, just to let you know.